Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell about AngularJS data binding. Data binding in AngularJS is the synchronization between the model and the view. Data binding is a very useful and powerful feature used in software development technologies. It acts as a bridge between the view and business logic of the application. Let's see what is data model. AngularJS application usually have a data model. The data model is a collection of data available for the application. This is example. My previous video already explained this code. Please check it. Now view the HTML container where the AngularJS application is displayed is called the view. The view has access to the model and there are several ways of displaying model data in the view. You can use the ngbind directive, which will bind the inner HTML of the element to the specified model property. I am using here paragraph tag ngbind, this is a directive, equal to first name, this is a value. Double braces, this is used for to display content from the model. Two types of AngularJS data binding. First is one-way data binding and second two-way data binding. Let's see one-way data binding. The one-way data binding is an approach where a value is taken from the data model and inserted into an HTML element. There is no way to update model from view. It is used in classical template systems. These systems bind data in only one direction. This is diagram of one-way data binding. View, template and model. One-way data binding. Now two-way data binding. Data binding in Angular apps is the automatic synchronization of data between the model and view components. Data binding lets you treat the model as the single source of truth in your application. The view is a projection of the model at all times. When data in the model changes, the view reflects the change. And when data in the view changes, the model is updated as well. That means vice versa. You observe this example in my previous video, already I explained. This is HTML code and this is script tag. Here I am using ng-app and ng-controller. These are the directive. This is curly braces. It is used for to display the content of HTML. Here add the controller.